Show it, Belle. Where's the rice?
It's right here.
Oh, really?
Is it color?
It's hiding. The rice is hiding. Nasa night market tayo ng Vancouver.
Which
Ayan.
one night one?
Ang daming ano, puro nasa 300 ba?
600.
600 ng mga
cuisine.
yeah, mga pagkain, mga ano,
Tapos may mga game,
may perya.
mga bouncy castles, ano pa? Tindahan,
Kasama natin yung
rice grove.
mga rice groups. Ayun, hinahanap namin si CR eh. Gumagawa siya ng ice cream. Hinahanap nila yung sushi taco. Ako hinahanap ko yung ano eh.
Squid.
Yung pares ni ano, ni Baluga. Pares ni Baluga. Sila bibili ng sushi taco. Daming tao. Ano nakita mo?
Squid.
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 Nandun.
I don't know if that's the same.
Bibili ba itong mga to? Hey, you gonna buy? Go.
Wala naman kasi ano po.
Kaya mo siya. Tingnan natin. Snowballs. Tapos squid.
Baby. Show it.
Is that 13? 13 bucks? Oh my goodness. Eh, mga terador ng free taste. Mga terador ng free taste dun eh. Kanina pa sila kumakana ng free taste.
That was my god brother. You want money?
Ito, ano to? Ano yan?
Mango.
Mango?
Nasa mango.
Po one dim sum.
Great.
How's the review? Is it good?
Cash, I'll give you the 50.
Good?
It's like,
Is it worth it? 13 bucks?
so,
No? No? Right? No?
so just
Daming tao. Yung mga gulaw. Saan? Takoyaki. Bili ka? Sili mo ako. The squid? Hindi, Kuremar. Ito. Mango sticky. Mango rainbow sticky rice. Bibili ka? Magkano siya? Medium, large, 16. Can you check it? Show it, Belle. Where's the rice?
It's right here.
Oh, really?
Is it color?
It's hiding. The rice is hiding. Okay. Taste it. What's the verdict? Wait. Yeah, wait for AJ. Yeah. You gonna taste it right away? Or you wait for them? Wait for them. Wait for Maria. Look at that. Hey. Marian can't wait. She's gonna taste it. Oh, let's go, taste it.
Wait, with the rice?
How's it? It's good? It's good. You can finish that? No. Like it?
No, it's good.
Kaya ko rin yan eh. Oh, kaya ko rin. Hanap tayo ng makakainan. Hindi ko makita yung ano eh. Pares ni Diwata. Ano natin? Squid.
$15 worth. That's deep fried. One of the popular ones. It's good. Tastes like kinjo. Good.
Good. Ayan, may mga tinda-tinda rin sila eh. Pwede pala pumasok.
May banda. The
Ayun,
plain.
banda. Banda rito, banda ron. Phone cases. AJ, Taylor Swift. Here.
Look for a shirt so we can wear it.
The shopping sila.
Yeah, we should. But after a bit. These ones feel But they're really thin. Giant takoyaki. Magkano? Ayan.
6 for 10. Takoyaki.
Yeah, pwede na.
I
Go.
like ano. Wasabi mayo. Okay lang.
Yeah.
Can I get a...
Or maybe, don't put mayo on the other half. Like, not wasabi mayo. Just only on the side, please.
Can I have wasabi mayo? Just nalagay na.
There.
So hot. Mainit pa eh. Takoyaki.
Giant takoyaki daw, pangalan niya. How's it? It's the same? Damn, that's tastes like Kinjo?
Parang ano na? Parang binabibili sa grocery store.
No. Good.
Bar. Bili raw sila. Strawberry frozen? May I see? May I see, AJ? May I see? Ba yan? Uwi na. Ayan ang night market ng Vancouver. So uwi na tayo sa hotel. Bukas naman, may game pa bukas.